How to grow microgreens.
Microgreens are becoming more popular as people learn about their many benefits. From flavoring your dishes to improving gut health, these tiny greens pack a powerful punch. Though microgreens, the little greens, are small in stature, they contain high levels of vitamins, minerals, and health-supporting components. Microgreens can lower blood pressure, fight cancer and lower cholesterol.
Microgreens are basically micro-varieties of fully mature plants. There are a number of vegetables whose microgreens variant serves as a nutritious and flavorful supplement to all your recipes.
Radish microgreens are substantial and crunchy and taste exactly like a radish. Radish microgreens are very easy to grow and they are fast growers. Radish microgreens make a great garnish or addition to any salad or sandwich. Radishes are rich in antioxidants and minerals like calcium and potassium. Together, these nutrients help lower high blood pressure and reduce your risks for heart disease. The radish is also a good source of natural nitrates that improve blood flow.
The first step is filling the tray or containers with soil. Since the roots of microgreens do not reach that deep, 3 to 4 inch soil height should be good enough. After the soil is ready, microgreen seeds are to be spread on the soil surface. The spacing between the seeds, just hand sprinkling, works fine. Now cover the seeds with a very thin layer of soil and gently pat the surface in order to make the seeds settle well in the container. Spray enough water over the soil surface in order to make the surface completely moist, but do not flood it with water. Sprinkle a little water over the growing greens twice a day. In 3-4 days' time, you will witness small leaves growing over the soil with little shoots at the bottom. After a week, you will be delighted to see your container full of healthy microgreens. Once the plants are 2-3 inches taller, they are ready to be harvested. Harvesting microgreens is pretty hassle-free too. You can take a pair of scissors or a sharp knife and cut the microgreens, holding them vertically from just over the roots. After collecting your microgreens, wash them with cold running water and they are ready to enhance your meals. Microgreens provide the best of nutrition when consumed fresh, right after the harvest. See, it's super easy, right? Enjoy growing your microgreens and Have them as a helpful ingredient in your salads, smoothies, and sandwiches.